Hello, and thank you for your purchase. When you first open the project, you will find these two compositions. The one is where you drop your logo inside. The other is where you choose your options and you finally render it. Let's open it and see it. So you see there is a logo here in the bottle. Okay, and finally at the end, it's the year and your New Year greetings and your web address if needed. Okay, let's start. Dropping your logo inside here, double click to open, it's already open. Import your logo, suppose it's this one, drop it, delete the other one. Select it, hit S to scale. Scale it to fit in the comp. If you want an optional text, here it is, enable it here. Move it to the center, choose a color, double click to edit. Okay, and of course you can make it as big as you want. Choose another font if you don't like this one. So if you go now to the composition, to the final composition, here is your logo on the bottle and your slogan, of course. Okay, so now what you need to do is change this text. So here is the cheers, double click, suppose it's this one, and you can make it as big as you like. Change the color, double click the other one, that's it. Now if you want to change these texts, select it. To use the same fonts as in this preview, you can find the links in the written help file. Okay, and double click this one if you want it and type your own slogan or your web address, or just switch it off if you don't need it. Now let's see how to change the colors. It's very easy. Select this first layer, hit F3, and now you can change the Inkman's body color. So maybe you want him red. Depends on what is your logo to match it. Maybe you want it totally white. At start, when Inkman is designed, you can have it in the color you want. You can have Inkman beveled or not. So here it has some depth. The background color, if you don't want this white, you may want, I don't know, suppose you want this one, and the grids behind to be white or the same, so you have one color totally. Okay, you can find the colors as you like. The rulers here can be another color. The graphic elements like this can be again another color. The particles over these brackets, here they are. I don't know, maybe you want them red. And the outlines of the glasses, here the three glasses at the start can have another color if you want. And the glass, the final one, and around the champagne can be another color again. And the fireworks here can be another color. Choose it to fit your needs. That's with the colors. Now if you have an audio, the template has sound effects, but if you want to add an audio, import the one you like and just drop it into the final composition. A 30 seconds one is very good, so it ends here and you can hear the sound of the fireworks. If you want the other one with the one with the Italian music, drop it and just start it 20 frames after, somewhere here. Okay, and now you're ready to add the composition to the render queue. choose an output module. If you have a version that doesn't support H.264, you can add the composition to the MIDI encoder queue. So let's see, add it to the MIDI encoder queue, wait for it to open, choose the format you want, click it. Okay, if you want it to be smaller in resolution, you can do it here. Choose your bit rates. It's okay. Now export audio, and you're ready to hit the render button. If you need more help, you can always contact me at my VideoHive profile page. Thanks again for your purchase. Have a happy new year.